I'm Dennis Volley. I'm the Chief of Stations, Facilities, and Structures for the MBTA in Boston, Massachusetts. We maintain the stations, which is the front and back door to our system. We maintain the facilities, which are employee facilities, train barns, bus depots, substation, along with bridges and tunnels. Any structure really within the T. Well, we have the building trades. We have painters, we have plumbers, we have iron workers, we have tinsmiths, basically anything related to building maintenance. Also have an engineering group. We're actually licensed engineers, so we can go out and do our in-house design, so our in-house forces can actually do the repairs and in some cases rebuild. We also have administrative staff, so they oversee the contracts, which is important. We have that oversight. And my managerial staff, we have supervisors, we have foremen for the gangs. Most of what we do is not really seen by the public, right? We're state of good repair folks. We maintain state safe operations and the integrity of our infrastructure. So a lot of the work that we do is firstly done off hours because that's when you can get most access. If working in a tunnel, no one's going to see it except train crews. So it takes a lot to keep the system running. And in some cases, when it's a delay or what seems like an inordinate amount of expense, there's reasons for that. It's an old system. There's a lot to maintain. There's a lot of equipment. There's a lot of structures that have been here for a long time, over 100 years. That, just to know that we're doing the best we can with the resources we have, and we're dedicated and committed to maintaining a safe and efficient transit system. Drone inspections will never replace the hands-on arm's length inspection because you really need to go up and look at bridge components. It's much more efficient to send a drone there than to shut the road down and get people up there and actually go and look. It's really a very efficient way to do certain types of inspections. We have 5 trained qualified drone pilots and we have drones, so it's great. I can send a drone up now and go look at something, which is a nice flexibility to have. I'd like to give a shout out to the staff. I'm not doing this alone, obviously. You're only as good as your staff, and they really have stepped up and raised the bar in the last couple of years. But at some point when you leave, you want to leave knowing that it's improved, it's more efficient. We got to mentor some of the people and teach what we knew for all these years of kicking around this industry. So if we train well, hire well, get the resources and dedicated staff, then we'll continue to move the T forward for the future. I mean, Boston's a great city. It deserves a transit system that's appropriate for a city like this. So that's the goal.